All right, hello and welcome to Tuesday evening. Hope you had a great day trading today. Market was up huge, and let's take a look. So remember yesterday, okay, let's go through a couple things and then I'll give you the trade of the day for Wednesday. RSPP, if you recall, we've been long since the market took out this high of this tight little inside vertical bar that was put in place on April 9th, right? See that huge run up? Okay, so that's a great trade to say the least. That's what I call a home run trade. And the trade I'm going to give you today, of course, any of these trades that I give you, I would like for them to turn out like the RSPP trade. So let's just skip right to CCXI. Okay, now as you can see, we formed a tight little inside vertical bar with a high being $11.49, right, which is much lower than the high that was put in place on Monday at $11.70, and the low was $10.86, which was higher than Monday's low of $10.81. So what we're going to look to do is we're going to look to buy a break up through the high of the inside vertical bar. I'm going to look at $11.54. I'm going to look for a 5-cent penetration up through that. Now, of course, if the market gaps up through it, if the first print of the day tomorrow is higher than $11.54, then that is going to void this trade. I want to see the market trade up through it, and preferably after the first 5 minutes of trading. Okay, so that is the trade for Wednesday, the 18th of April. Okay, now if we get that set up, okay, remember this is a setup, it's not a trade, right? We'll see if it actually follows through, okay? So assuming the market trades up through it and we're long, okay, then I will place my sell stop below, right, below Monday's low. So this is my ARB, right? That's my risk. So I'm looking to make at least that, okay? So let's just see what happens. Let's take a look at, okay, so my trailing stop now for the remaining portion of my position on RSPP is below Monday's low, okay? It's below 46.75 to 46.65. Now, if tomorrow, Wednesday the 18th, if we're able to penetrate up through the high at 48.35 or even match that high, I will then move my stop up to below the low of Tuesday, which is today, and that would be 47.64, 10 cents below it. So again, if the market tomorrow on Wednesday at least matches the high of Tuesday, I will then move my stop up to below this low. All right, and let's take a look at BABA, B-A-B-A, right, Alibaba. Well, like what I said yesterday was I'm bullish on this stock and I'm looking for the market to move higher. And of course, you saw that today. The low opened at 174.83 and rallied all the way up to 179.34. So if you were able to get in, good for you. You're up. We'll just see. So what I did was put this horizontal line right in here, right, and the vertical line, and this is the day that I mentioned it. Okay, so we'll just see how this pans out in the future, okay? So again, short and sweet today. Hope you can learn something from it. If you got any questions, let me know, and I'll have a video for you tomorrow. Bye.